Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about one very useful command in Docker for removing unused containers, networks and unreferenced images. This is very helpful when you need to automate some housekeeping activities in your environment. This command is docker system prune with the option A for all. It will warn you because it will remove all stopped containers, volumes, networks, and images without at least one container associated with them. You can specify yes option here, and it will remove all the images, and it will say that the amount of the total space that it will be reclaimed. In this case, 2.5 gigabytes in my local system, which is very good also for the storage cleanup purposes. This command can be used in a bash script or any other automated stuff in Jenkins. Let's say you can schedule a job once a week, once a day to remove all unused images, and this will free up your system. Uh, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments about this. Thanks.